Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you're in the world. You know it is JJ and JJ's PC Builds. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, which I do see a couple subscribers, and I do welcome you to the family. Welcome to the JJ's PC Builds community. And my veteran subscribers, much love to you as always for all that you do helping support the channel. Now, there was a little thing that, I wanted to bring this couple-minute clip to y'all real quick because I think I forgot something. Hold on. This is what I forgot on the last video. Okay, if I remember right, I said something to you all about this. The keyboard that I was going to put up, if we get 1,000 subscribers and, get monetized and get the 4,000 watch hours. This is the keyboard I was going to put up. Let me pull the sleeve off of it so you all can see what kind it is. There. This was I was going to do a giveaway on. I just wanted to let y'all know that it's in brand new condition. Sorry about the box, but, I can't help the box. But it's in brand new condition. It has never been used. Never. It comes with the paperwork. And it sits in the box nice and clean. And it's got, its wrap on it. And comes with the cord and everything else. It's a mechanical keyboard. And I know there's some out there that love that mechanical keyboard sound. And this is what they consider an ice white. An ice white. But it's got keyboard tricks. So, I showed you all this the last time. But I think the reason why I got it was because I was going to use it to do a giveaway when we reach the 1,000 subscribers. But it kind of slipped my mind until one of my awesome moderators brought it to my attention. Said, "Hey, did you forget about doing a giveaway on a keyboard maybe? Well, I got one right here. Brand new in the box. Just to let you know. It's ready to go. If we get by the end of the year, this would make a nice Christmas present for somebody. And if we get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and get monetized, I could do this. So keep that in mind, and I will be reminding everybody about it once a month. I'll tell you, don't forget about the giveaway. We still need the subscribers. But I wanted to bring this video right quick to you because I forgot to put it in the end of the other video, and I was watching it and I was like, there's something I forgot. I mentioned it, but I didn't show it. Now, this is the video of me showing it at the end. So this is basically the second part to the end. So, but this is the way it's going to work. If we get monetized and we get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, we will be doing that giveaway. So, if you want to be a part of that and you want to get in on the action and everything else, I'm not just doing this because I want to get 1,000 subscribers. I'm doing this because this will be like a goodwill gesture incentive to everybody to see that I am sincere about this channel. I am not going anywhere. I am telling you this. I am not going anywhere. And I'm going to continue to make the videos. regardless. And I know I was 3 videos behind. Now I'm 2 videos behind. Now I'm 1 video behind. I got 1 more extra video to make within this month. So hopefully I can get 2 more videos in, either tomorrow or the next day. And that way I'm all caught up and you all got the videos. And we're staying right on track with 1 video a day for 7 days a week. Now, I know many people have been kind of talking to me about the camera and stuff. Yes, this is like a talking head video a little bit too. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to try to keep it within a certain amount of minutes. But I think I figured out what's wrong with this camera. I think it's me. Just to be honest with you. I was sitting there going through the bullet points. Let me go ahead and don't forget, just really quick off track, I do have a Discord channel. If you want to be a part of that too, go to the link in the description below, and it'll give you the link to Discord if you want to be a part of the community in Discord for JJ's PC Builds. Okay, we're going to have a lot cooking there. So we're getting it together, and you can't expect in the beginning for everything just fall right out of the sky. It's not going to happen. People are going to float in. They're going to start coming in and everything else. And, you know, with the Discord channel, y'all have to be patient for me to get over there where I can be there, you know, to greet everybody and everything else. But if you pop into the channel and there's nobody there, then, you know, just sign up and, you know, get in there and, you know, chat away, you know, and stuff like that. And people will pop in. So don't be scared. Go ahead and, you know, sign up for the Discord, because what's going to be coming sooner or later is going to be what we're going to be doing is live tech talks on Discord, but we're going to take in live stream from Discord to YouTube. I'm going to be doing all that from Discord to YouTube. I did figure out a way, believe it or not. I figured out a way to do it. So we're going to stream from Discord to YouTube, and we're going to do it live. We're going to try to do it once a week. And out of the bunch, we'll try to have 2 active participants that are going to be in there, me and somebody else, which I probably got a good idea that Dakota wants to be in there. I have to talk with Akeem if Akeem wants to be in there, and we might keep 1 spot open for bringing somebody special in that wants to come in, to have like four in the group. So that way we're doing tech talks in the group on Discord, and everybody's viewing it on YouTube as well. So you can view it on Discord and YouTube, just to let you know that. Keep that in mind. So we will be working all that out. It will be coming soon, so be patient. We got more things that are cooking. Now, as far as ClickChamp from Microsoft, good and bad. Microsoft wants you to pay per month on the program, but they give it to you for free. You're limited to what you can do on that for free. So keep that in mind if you want to use that for an extra editing program, which that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use it to go from OBS to ClickChamp. ClipChamp, not Clip. Yeah, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, by the way. Oh my God. Sorry that I sound so nasally too, but I can't help it. I got major sinus issues right here and here. The doctor checked up on me, especially after he found out I had a major brain injury. You know, he found out that I had major sinus injury too. So sorry, I sound like a a scary guy, but I'm not. If I have one of those voices that can go up like into the octave of soprano, maybe everybody would pay attention. Hey, it sounds like yeah. I'm not gonna go there. Not gonna go there. But I'm just letting y'all know. I hope this video turns out at 1080p, turns out better than the last video. I'm making strides and showing you I am working towards getting this straight. So bear with me, please. Anyway, I'm not going to make this a long video. I just wanted to rap with y'all for a couple minutes and let you know what's going on. I know it's not really dealing with PC tech news, but it's actually dealing with, cameras for the PC and kind of adjusting it and getting it set for OBS. You find little quirks here and there, how to tweak, and, that's basically what I'm doing, is tweaking it, trying to make it better. I know I spent a whole year not tweaking it too much, but now I am. Now I'm fine-tuning everything. I wanted to spend a year of how to get things in order, learning how to do OBS and the technical part. Obviously, I missed a couple things, but I didn't miss everything. At least I got it started, and what I started off with and what I'm running with now is two different things. And now I'm still going to work on getting a capture card if this problem is fixed. Then I'm going to need one capture card so I can plug in another piece. Oops, sorry. I can plug another PC into my main PC. So this way, when I go to do the videos and I'm working on a PC and showing y'all it works and bringing y'all from A to Z from, with Windows, which I really want to do, I made a 4-part video on how to install Windows 10. But I did not like it so much, I took and erased all 4 videos. I didn't like it because I couldn't show you all the screen capture of what I was doing, of how to bring you there. And my cameras won't show great on these monitors, and then because I don't got great monitors. I don't have 1440p. I got 1080p monitors. But I show you better capture when it's, like when I share this, when I take and share the screen with you all, that works out even better. So that way y'all can see everything. Anyway, I spent 13, 14, 15 minutes talking to y'all. But what we're going to do is call that a conclusion of this video. And this video is a talking head video. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But if you've already subscribed, and I said it before, I'm going to say it again, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And also to my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for helping support the channel and all that you do. Until the next time in the next video, this is JJ and JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next one.